How to change Instagram chat theme from gallery. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to change the Instagram chat theme from the gallery. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner to open your chats. Next, tap on any chat you want to customize. Once inside the chat, tap on the name of the person or group at the top of the screen. Then tap on Theme under the chat settings. A list of available themes will appear. Choose any theme you like from the options. After selecting your preferred theme, go back to the chat screen. You will see the new theme applied. If you'd like to explore more themes, tap on Change Theme to view additional options. Select one and your chat theme will be updated. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.